For your GCSEs, you're going to have 2 calculator exams, and yet so many students go into them not knowing how to use their calculator properly. I want to show you now something that you can do with your calculator when you need to find the lowest common multiple or highest common factor. I use the FX85 GT, it's Casio calculator. You might use something different, but it's highly likely you'll have the same buttons on there, the same functions on there. If you've looked at some of the other lessons that we've done, you'll see that we can find the highest common factor or lowest common multiple by finding numbers written as the product of primes, which you find using a factor tree. And that's great if you're doing it by hand, if you're doing it on a non-calculator paper. On your calculator though, you can do this really quickly without having to sit and work through it. All you have to do, turn the calculator on button in the corner, and load up the number I want, 66, and then I simply press the shift button. This gives the other options for the buttons, the options that are in yellow, and then I press the one that has fact above it. It has a little B in red as well, but we're using the fact option by pressing shift, press that, and it turns the number into 2 times 3 times 11. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 11 is 66. It's 66 written as the product of primes. And that works for any number. If I put in 126 and enter that, and then I press shift, fact, we got 2 times 3 squared times 7. Obviously 3 squared there means 3 times 3. It's written in index form. Have a look at that again if you're not sure what that means. But 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. And from there then, I can compare lists of prime factors in order to find the highest common factor or lowest common multiple really quickly and easily. If you have a calculator, know how to use it.